Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a device or tablet that could be your perfect companion for the upcoming school year. Perfect ito para sa mga nagbabalik ang mga estudyante as a budget alternative to a laptop. This is the Redmi Pad Pro. Now first off, here's what you can get inside the box, assuming na kinuha nyo lahat, including accessories. We have the Redmi Pad Pro tablet, a 33 watts fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and the usual quick start guide and warranty card. We also have here a Bluetooth keyboard and also a stylus and a cover that you can buy separately. Lahat ng ito, kapag sinumutotal namin lahat ng presyo, ay less than 21,000 pesos lang at minimum. Now, let's talk about why the Redmi Pad Pro is a bang for the buck tablet, especially for upcoming students. First, let's talk about the display. The Redmi Pad Pro boasts a massive 12.1-inch IPS LCD display with a 2.5K resolution. Meron din siya na 120Hz na panel. Very smooth ang scrolling at pagdating naman sa performance ng display, maganda ang tingkad ng kulay at clarity kahit LCD lang ito. Whether you're watching lectures, reading ebooks, or just chilling with some Netflix or maybe Disney Plus, the vibrant colors and sharp details make everything look amazing. Meron pa itong Dolby Vision kaya supported ang HDR content. Ngayon, kung mahilig ka naman sa pag-draw or exercise lang ng creativity mo, you can definitely do this on the Redmi Pad Pro. Now, there are many popular drawing apps online pero may pre-installed na agad ang tablet na ito para magamit mo na agad siya. It is not the most fully featured drawing application like Procreate for iOS or Infinite Painter for Android, but it gets basic drawing jobs done. Now, under the hood, the Redmi Pad Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset. It's got enough power for your everyday tasks, from browsing the web to running productivity apps, and with the configurations of up to 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of storage, you've got plenty of space for all your school projects and apps. And if you need even more storage, it supports micro SD cards up to 1.5 terabytes. Ngayon, just to let you know, yung pinadala sa amin ni Xiaomi only has 6 gigs of RAM with 256 gig of storage. Pero enough na yan for me, for my usual productivity apps, and even some games like Zenless Zone Zero that just launched recently. Now, the performance you're seeing may not be the same, rather, no, from what you're gonna get, no, since the one that is available in the market in the Philippines is 8 gigs ang RAM. No? Here, for reviewers, ang pinadala lamang ay yung 6 gigs. So, keep that in mind. Now, let's talk about the battery life. The Redmi Pad Pro comes with a massive 10,000 mAh battery. Now, Xiaomi claims it can provide up to 12.1 hours of video playback. So whether you're studying all day or binge watching your favorite series, this tablet has got you covered. And when you need to recharge, the 33 watts fast charger will get you back up and running in no time. Now, just to give you an idea of how the battery life is in real life scenarios, today is a Monday as I'm shooting this video. I had this fully charged last Friday. That was 3 days ago, no? And last Friday, no, we brought this with me, no, sa San Juan, La Union, at pinahiram ko siya doon sa 6-year-old na anak nung aking kaibigan, no? And she just used it every night, no? At ngayon, meron pa siyang 30% battery, which is really nice. Now, audio quality is another area where the Redmi Pad Pro shines. It's got a quad speaker setup that supports Dolby Atmos. And whether you're listening to music, maybe watching movies also, or attending online classes, the sound is immersive and crystal clear. And if you want to see the speakers, we have 1, 2, and then 3 and 4. Now, what about accessories that I just mentioned earlier? Now, Xiaomi offers the Redmi Smart Pen. This is the pen, no, and this is the Redmi Pad Pro keyboard. Now, the Smart Pen has 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity and a 240Hz touch sampling rate, making it perfect for note-taking and digital art. Now, the keyboard, on the other hand, gives you a laptop-like typing experience, which is great for writing papers at saka yung mga paggawa ng mga assignments. Now, whether you need these accessories or not depends on how you're going to use or how you plan on using this tablet. Kung gagamitin mo siya as an alternative sa laptop, number one consideration mo dito is to get the keyboard. It is portable and has good amount of tactility. Now, my only issue is the short battery life of the keyboard. Mas nauuna siya lalo na laging nadidisconnect rather since low-bat siya, no, when it is connected to the tablet. Fortunately, the keyboard's charging port is close to the charging port of the tablet. So, ibig sabihin ito, you can just simply connect the keyboard to the tablet to have it charge accordingly. But this one is a little bit confusing for me. While there are areas on the tablet that have magnets, no, as you can see now, no, in this video, hindi naglagay ng pogo pins si Xiaomi sa tablet at the keyboard case para may way para ma-charge yung keyboard while you're using or charging the tablet without any dangling wires. Now, another thing that they could have improved here is yung inability ng stylus to be charged wirelessly or by simply connecting it to the tablet. Kailangan mo siyang i-charge, no, via Type-C, which I am not really a fan of. Now, the Redmi Pad Pro offers a fantastic display, solid performance, a great battery life, and excellent audio quality. Plus, with the optional accessories, it can easily replace a laptop for most school tasks. And the best part dito is napaka-budget friendly niya, no? Yan naman talaga ang isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa Redmi Pad Pro, no? A decent gaming laptop that may also be used for work or productivity costs around 42 to 60K. Yes, may mas mura pero baka mabiting ka sa performance. Now, with a tablet like this, it should be more than enough for what a student needs except for being able to output the display to an external video. Kung may mga presentation requirements ang student in front of teacher or sa mga classmates nila, the Type-C port does not seem to have a video out feature like other smartphones and tablets nowadays. Now, in terms of software, it is decent and has good tablet support as well. For gamers, the tablet offers Game Turbo, and if you own other Xiaomi devices running on HyperOS, magiging madali, no, na i-connect siya sa tablet. And lastly, it also has an 8-megapixel camera at the back, no, and another 8-megapixel in front, which offer decent recording and capturing features. Huwag kang malito dito kasi parang dalawa yung lente, no, but it's just flash. No? Now, all these features that I mentioned make the Redmi Pad Pro a good tablet, especially for its 14,000 price, the tablet alone. Medyo may hirapang mag-compete dito ang ibang brands, no? Kasi maganda ang presyo. It is not the most perfect tablet around, no? I should say that, but it just nails every features needed by students at hindi mahihirapang bilhin ito ng mga magulang na kagaya ko para sa kanilang mga anak kasi nga mura siya at okay yung mga features. Well, that's it for our video today. Thank you so much for watching and listening. Kung may mga tanong kayo about dito sa tablet ito, please let me know in the comment section below. We also posted a full review of this one on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. See you in the next video. Bye!